In this example, we will learn how to take input from the keyboard and combine strings in Python. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Take inputs from the user. Here, we use the input function 3 times. Each time, the user types a value on the keyboard, their name, surname, and age. Remember, the input function always returns a string, even if you type a number. Step 2. Create a whitespace. We create a variable called whitespace that contains one space character. We'll use it to separate the words when we combine them. Step 3. Combine the strings. Here we use the plus operator to join or concatenate the strings together. So, here's how it appears on the screen. Notice that the age is directly attached to the surname, so there's no space before the age unless we add another whitespace. Step 4. Print the variable type. This shows the data type of the variable instructor. Because we use the input function, the type will be a string. Step 5. Check what type of strings we have. Is alpha function checks if the name variable contains only alphabetic letters, no numbers, no symbols, no spaces. If it does, Python returns true. Now we check if the age variable is made of digits only. We can use isDigit function for this task. Because we typed a number 41, this will return true. We can use isSpace function to check if the variable is only whitespace, so it means that it contains only space characters. Since it does, the result is true. Finally, let's get the length of string variable named instructor. Remember, spaces and digits also count as characters. We will use length function to calculate. Can we make a string uppercase or even lowercase? Yes, we can make everything uppercase and lowercase if the variable is string. In Python, indexing starts at 0. Let's look at the first and last characters. Index 0 is the letter E. Index 1 gives the last character, which is digit 1. Slicing uses a start and end index, but the end index is not included. So if you want to extract only Erdenes, you should choose the index from 0 to 7. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.